cyclone barrel was located near latitude. This is NOAA's National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WXL50 public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted between the hours of 11 and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the following Wednesday. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in North Carolina: Bladen, Columbus, Cumberland, Duplin, Harnett, Polk, Moore, Robeson, Sampson, and Scotland, and in South Carolina for Marlborough and Dillon counties. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning Alarm System. We now return you to the normal program schedule. The tropical weather outlook for the North Atlantic.
Now enjoy me turning off the radios.
Regarding post-tropical cyclone barrel. At 11 a.m. the center of post-tropical cyclone barrel was located.
It's so hard turning these off up here.
0 north longitude 83.9 west. The post-tropical cyclone is moving toward the northeast near 20 miles an hour, and this motion is expected to continue into Thursday morning.
Quick little scroll. The little radio likes to annoy me, but you know.
1,001 millibars, 29.56 inches.
Yep. Yeah, was it?